Looking to get a sofa on rent but not sure if it's worth it? Is it clean? Will you get to choose the style? What if your pet scratches it? Can you take it with you when you move? Here's everything you need to know about sofa on rent from Rentomojo in one video. Is renting a sofa actually cheaper? A decent sofa costs anywhere from 15,000 to 40,000 rupees upfront. Add delivery, installation, moving costs when you shift, and eventually selling it at a fraction of what you paid, the numbers stop making sense. With Rentomojo, sofa rentals start under 500 rupees a month. You avoid the big spend, and when you move, Rentomojo relocates your rented sofa for free. Will you get a clean sofa? Every sofa on Rentomojo goes through cleaning, sanitization, and a full quality inspection before delivery. If there's any stain, structural issues, or visible wear, it doesn't leave the warehouse. You get something that looks and feels as good as new, not a random piece from someone else's living room. Can you choose the sofa style? Yes, Rentomojo has two-seater, three-seater, and L-shaped sofa options. And if you want additional seating, you can add a one-seater or ottoman too. Check the catalog to see what's available in your area. You're not stuck with one default option. What's the minimum rental period? Minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months. Plans can go up to 36 months, and after that, you can continue on a monthly basis if needed. Need an early exit? You pay 1 month's rent as an early closure fee. It's a straightforward exit. Raise a request on the app, and the pickup gets scheduled. How much is the security deposit? Yes, there is a security deposit, and it's refundable. Once you return the sofa without damage and it clears the quality check, you get the full amount within 7 working days. The whole process is digitally tagged in the app. It is completely transparent and there are no hidden surprises. And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage for accidental damages, minor wear and tear, and unexpected incidents during use. This means your security deposit will be protected even if something goes wrong accidentally. What if your pet scratches it or the springs break? Rentomojo's damage waiver covers minor accidental damage up to Rs 1000. So a few scratches from a pet, a small fabric snag, a surface scuff, you just need to raise a ticket on the app and it's completely handled. Only intentional damage gets charged at actual repair cost. Who handles bigger repairs, frame issues, and fabric tears? You raise a ticket on the Rentomojo app, describe the issue, and a technician will visit you in 72 hours completely free of charge. You don't need to call upholstery shops or hunt for spare parts. If something stops working under normal use, Rentomojo handles it completely. What happens when the tenure ends? You can either choose to keep renting it monthly or you can return it. Rentomojo picks it up, does a full quality check, and refunds your full deposit within 7 working days if all is in order. No need to find a buyer, no arranging a truck, no furniture gathering dust in the storage. Can you upgrade your sofa later? Yes. On a 24-month plan, you can upgrade for a different style at a same or higher value. So if your space changes and you need a bigger configuration or you just want a different look, you're not locked in. That's a level of flexibility buying just doesn't offer. What if you move to another city? Rentomojo relocates your sofa to your new city for free. No need to start the rental process from scratch. Your subscription continues, same plan, new address. And if you're shifting your entire home, Rentomojo also offers Mojo Mover, a packers and movers service at affordable and competitive rates. So, to summarize, sofa rentals start 500 rupees a month. Every sofa is cleaned, sanitized, and quality checked. There are multiple styles like two-seater, three-seater, L-shape plus ottoman and single-seater add-ons. Minimum tenure is 3 months and it goes up to 36 months. Deposit is fully refundable. Minor damage up to 1000 rupees is waived. Repair and maintenance are free. Upgrades are available on 24-month plans. Relocation is free across cities and you can skip the 40,000 rupees upfront spend and pay monthly, move freely. So check out Rentomojo to find a sofa that fits your space without the upfront cost. Rentals start under 500 rupees a month.